Hello, this is Ankit Alex Hazra, your 15 CS258, and I'm making this video on the 10th experiment of CSAT Lab. So, in this experiment, we will be using ASP.NET to design a program, design a website. So, in ASP.NET, it's rather easy because all the ASP.NET framework provides us with lots of tools to make a website. So and it's mostly drag and drop, and you just need to configure those files or just add actions that need to be performed when the user interacts. The rest is handled by ASP.NET. So first we'll start with the master page. So the master page is the kind of a layout which will be shared by all the web pages and all the pages in your website. So currently in my web page, I have this website, this tree that will be shared with all the websites. So first is the login page. So if you go into the login page, here is the design that I have made. First of all, I just drag and drop some labels and some text boxes, and finally in the submit button, what I've done is I have implemented a code which interacts with the database and checks for username and password. So you can see it here. As you can see, it's a submit.click. So whenever I click that button, it will connect with the database, get the values from the text boxes, query the database if the username and password are present, and finally give a response. So here the response is to redirect it from this page to the account page. So the account page that I have made is banking account, so where you will give your account number and name and to check for those details, and then finally it will allow you to debit or credit an amount. So all these are all the components which I drag and drop, and finally the implementation code I inserted in debit and credit, which will go to the database, get the details of our account, and then finally debit or credit accordingly. So this is how the program, this is the basic ASP.NET now, that's how it works. And one more thing is validation. So for validation I'm doing in login page. So as you can see, in the tags, so you see it's like here the code is mostly HTML, use HTML, and so there is one ASP required validator. So this is a validator which you use to validate that the box is not empty. So this is the basic program. So let's try running it. So as you can see, this is my program. So this is my website. So I have login page and account page. So I have account registered by this credential. So if I do this, I can enter into my account, and in an account I can just debit or credit some amount. So as you can see the amount is debited here, and it's instantly updated. So this shows that our program is working.